My name is Rebecca Schaeper and I'm the marketing director at Richter Phillips Jewelers. About 2 years ago in 2020, our vice president, now president, Eric, wanted to add some lights to our building. He noticed that in downtown Cincinnati, a lot of buildings have uplighting or there's a lot of murals or art installations around the city, and he wanted our building to be included in that side of the culture of the city. So he thought some sort of colored lighting system would be a really great addition so that we could maintain a prestigious look with, artful thought behind what we're implementing. And I ended up reaching out to his favorite example downtown, which was the previous building that Jeff Ruby's was in. I reached out to the building owner there and went down a chain of different individuals until I stumbled upon and found Haven Lighting as the people that had implemented that on their building, and here we are. Our old system didn't have any sort of versatility when it came to what we wanted to do with our lights. They weren't dimmable or anything. They were just as they were. With Haven, it's very easy to use their app. It's incredibly user-friendly, and there's a lot of flexibility and versatility in what you can create. Haven Lighting is very easy to use. Their app is incredibly user-friendly. It has a lot of versatility, and it has capabilities to schedule out different programming, which makes my job a lot easier. The customer service at Haven was incredible. They have answered all of our questions. They're very accessible and quick to respond to anything. They're very open to hearing questions or concerns and addressing those right away, and that's really made a world of a difference of why we're interested in working with Haven in the first place. Their support is awesome.